Hey. Okay, hello everyone, this is Boris. Welcome to another episode of Sketchman Draw. So today we're going to talk about how to turn objects into drawings. So first we're going to do an exercise. And by the way, for those who are watching this video for the first time, these are tutorials based on workshops, online workshop that I give every Sunday. The details about how to join, like the meetup, is on the description below. And with having said that, first we're going to do an exercise that just to warm up our imagination. So I call this a spaghetti game. So you just take a piece of paper. So you have pencil, eraser, and I would say I have a Sharpie. So you can use like a pen or something thicker that is sort of different, thicker than the pencil line. So this is just an HB pencil. So just do like random lines. I call them spaghetti. They're like, So what this exercise is for is to find out shapes in random lines. So, like for example, what I usually do is I usually start with the edges and go around the edges and try to find if something sticks out as interesting for me. So for example here, so I look at this shape, I like take that out. Yeah, I could change this into like a boat. Yeah. So again, don't worry about the proportion, about if it looks like real, like if it looks real or not. We're just having fun. So this one, I like this shape here. You can change this into a cat. Okay, let's continue. This is interesting. Like maybe like a duck. So again, yeah, what this is doing is like sort of practicing your ability to interpret shapes. Like when you look at clouds and you see horses or faces. So that's what we are trying to do here. And of course, you can do this with friends as a game or just alone when you just want to kill time. What else? What about this one? This looks like an axe or some sort of weapon. So typically, especially when we do these rounded like lines like this, people usually see fish or shoes. Like for example, this one. This could be like a whale. Whatever. Okay. And again, yeah, so you just do this and you end up with something like this. So this is something that I did during the workshop, and as you can see, there's some butterfly, cat, duck, there's some sort of creature here, like a snail, even a helicopter here. So now let's move on to the actual tutorial. So this was just like a warm-up, like an exercise that you can do. So during the workshop, we used 3 objects. The first one was a lamp, the second one was an obelisk, and then the third one was a paper clip. So I'll show you what was the result, but then, so here, just to, like, I want to play like the magician, so I'm going to ask a suggestion to my girlfriend. So JJ, give me one suggestion for an object that I can change into an interesting drawing. Any object. Don't think too
Shoes.
Shoes. Okay. Well, let's start with one shoe, no? Okay, so let's say shoe. Again, really basic. Okay. Okay, so how can I turn this into something interesting? So let's see. Mhm, mhm, mhm. Oh, okay. So let's see if we can make this out. And again, this is not a one-time thing where you just see one thing and then go ahead with it. It's just a experimental process. So for example, if I make this into like a face, oh, and then maybe this could be, I don't know, I'm still trying to figure out. So this could look like he's wearing like a suit, oh, and I can add hands here. So this could become like a puppet, like maybe someone is playing with a puppet here. Or if I do another shoe, okay, let's see. Well, the easiest one that comes to mind is to change this into a mountain. Oh, mountains. No. Again, it's so trying to finding out different things and seeing if that works. If it doesn't, it's okay. You can just try again, but because you have to know that when you're drawing from imagination, you're not drawing from zero, you're drawing from something, and you need that something. So we are using the randomness to help us, So yeah, so that's basically what I wanted to show you today. So let me show you what we came up with. So for the lamp, we just came up with, so this was the shape of the lamp here, and then I just turned it into an octopus. For the paperclip, so this was the paperclip, and then it sort of reminded us of the ears for rat, and then we changed it into a rat. And I did two types of paperclip, so this big paperclips, and then the small one that looks like this. And then I changed that into books, and I said, okay, and then you can tell a story, like, okay, I could just line up these books, like as if he was sleeping on a stack of books, and then he's just waking up. And like, for example, here, we just said, like, okay, maybe we can make him a octopus in existential crisis. But again, it's just having fun. So, and these are just like, I was just sketching when I went out with friends, like random objects here. This was like a stool that I changed into a bat-like creature. This was a fork, of course, that I gave 4 legs. This was a chair that I changed into like a deer-like creature, and so on. So yeah, you can do this with your friends, with your kids, when you're just sitting and don't want to go out. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you today. So go ahead. I forgot to show you for the obelisk. So this was the obelisk. We changed it into a lizard, so you can still see the shape of the obelisk there. So yeah, so again, thank you for watching. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And this is Boris for Sketchman Draws, signing off.